Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do a quick paper piecing for the title image of the page kit number 111, A Magical Christmas. You will find this kit in my Etsy shop. The link is below in the description of this video. And if you like this video, please click the like button and enjoy. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with the base piece, which is the black one. It's going to go right on top. The white one's going to go right on top of the black one. I am using the Designer Dries Clear Liquid Adhesive with the fine metal tip. And this glue dries quickly, so you don't want to take too much time on the glue. This is my favorite glue to use. So I'm just centering it on here. Make sure we have a nice even border. And then the next part we're going to do is the word magical. You don't want to do A first because A is actually going to overlap the word magical. So go ahead and glue magical down first. Okay, so I'm going to start with the M here and just line it up and go all the way. And I'm looking at that top line. I want to make sure I get an even white border. I'm just pressing it down. Okay, the next one is going to be Christmas. And if you get any little paper stuck, just go ahead and poke that out. Use your fingers or a needle or the pin for your glue. So that came out pretty easy. Okay, so I'm just going to go along. And it's okay if some glue oozes out because it does dry clear. And you can always wipe it real quick with your fingers before it dries. But like I said, it dries clear, so not too much to worry about there. Okay, so I'm going to start with the C. Again, want to keep a nice even border. And like I said, it does dry quickly, so you don't want to take too much time lining it up. And some glue is oozed out, so I'm just going to press down, try to get some of that. You can even use your pin. Kind of go, this was on my glue tip, I'm just going to go around, get some of that excess glue out. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and glue that A in, and then we'll be done. This is a great beginner's kit. So if you are new to paper piecing or just want a nice, simple, don't have to think too hard kit, this is a perfect one for that. You see how the A just kind of overlaps. Now this image set that I'm using did come from Miss Kate Cuttables. She has some adorable pieces. So go check her website out and you'll find that there as well. In my kits though, you will find everything already cut for you, and there's full color step-by-step instructions, and there will be a link below to pick up one of my page kits, and it'll come with this title as well as the paper piecing for the mouse ears with the Santa hat, and then the other accessory pieces that you need to complete the kit. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. Thank you so much again for watching, and have a great day.